Good morning, everyone. My younger sister is getting married today. The marriage will not take place here in my house. It's going to take place here in. We have a big place where most of the people in Manipur get married there. Everybody is putting makeup on their face. Everybody's busy. With a big cover. Here one example. Here is my younger sister. Youngest sister.
As part of our Manipuri tradition, here my mom is pouring rice to this pot so that my sister can start her marriage life, and it also symbolizes that she stays healthy and wealthy throughout her life.
Kundo Lengba nangdi khanglam loi thamoi nungda chapa mai chakse mai thongi mi no na Kundo Lengba nangdi khanglam loi thamoi nungda chapa mai chakse mai thongi mi no na khungjin jawani thamoi mai chakse hai ngamda bawa hai kaya na phochila chinba
Bright lights and colors. Love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you We are dreams, we are candles, we are lights, we are believers, we are safe with each other, with each other.
this. That's why my face is like this. Don't get scared. See my face. Họ bóc tăng hùng phù mẹ yo. Hùng phù cả năm tiền. Cô sống từ mẹ có. Mẹ đã khuyên mà bây giờ bởi vì. Nami sao vậy? Sao cái đấy tụi mày? Cái ốc bụng sâu cả như vậy. Nó xí gì mà rồi mà mình mà nó xin chết tâm mình nó rồi mà sao nào cũng sẽ rồi nào? Ôi, cứ sao lại vậy? Anh ấy tàu mà tao cái này nó biết nhau còn. Xí rồi. Ini pula.
Paham dari kau mana ngangin lah.
It's me, Acham. This is my staff. I've been attend my marriage.